Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks. To organize subtasks, this is incredibly useful when you're managing complex tasks with multiple categories of work, allowing you to group related subtasks together for better clarity and workflow management. First, open Asana and navigate to a blank project where you want to work. Once you're there, look to the top right of your screen and click the plus add task button. This is where you'll create your main task, so go ahead and name it something like prepare inventory list. This will serve as your parent task that houses all the organized subtasks we're about to create. Now click on the task prepare inventory list to open the task detail pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is your workspace for adding all the details, assignees, and most importantly, the subtasks we'll be organizing. Scroll down until you see the subtask section and click plus add subtask. Type in your first subtask, something like list coffee beans, and press enter to confirm it. Here's where the magic happens. To create a section within your subtasks, press tab plus N simultaneously on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is the key to organizing your subtasks into logical groups. Once you press it, type in a section name like supplies section and press enter. You've just created your first subtask section, which acts as a visual divider and category label. To populate this section, click plus add subtask again and add relevant items under supplies section. For instance, type buy cups and press enter. This subtask will now sit under your designated section, keeping everything organized. Want to add another section? Simply place your cursor below the last subtask, press tab plus N again and type a new section name like equipment section. Press enter, then continue adding related subtasks such as order espresso machine underneath it. This method allows you to create as many sections as you need to fully organize your workflow. If you've already created subtasks before setting up sections, don't worry. You can easily reorganize them by clicking and dragging existing subtasks like list coffee beans into the appropriate section. Just click on the subtask, hold and drag it to where it belongs. Once you're satisfied with how your subtasks are organized into sections, simply close the task detail pane. Your task is now structured, clear, and much easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.